Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's the Random Gamer, and sorry I'm wiping my head because there's bugs flying everywhere. But other than that, today we're going to do a Nerf video on this Mega Lightning Bow. And today I have Bad Cammy and this guy.
Mitchell Tuttle, subscribe.
Yep, he started his channel a while ago, and he's gonna be starting his soon. Maybe. Who knows? So let's get this video started. Mr. Cameraman is Bad Cammy, by the way. And so, what we're gonna be doing with this is some trick shots, and maybe Mitchell over here will use his for trick shots. Anyways, yo, cameraman, did you zoom out? Did you zoom out after you zoomed in?
Gotta fix that. This doesn't zoom in.
It doesn't.
See?
Oh, it does. It just takes it. It just. Yeah, but don't try to figure it out. Anyway, so first, what we're gonna be doing, we're each gonna take a turn shooting it in different ways. I'm gonna be like jumping, moving, running, doing 360s, whatever. But first, I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna do any tricks or anything, but I'm just gonna show you.
And also for the trick shots, whoever is your favorite, put it down in the subscribing or on Instagram to
The Random Gamer or Brucey 2002. You know, just. Most of you guys.
Put in the comments who your favorite trick shotter is, who you think won. And yeah. And let's start!
Yay! Anyway, so first of all, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing. Mainly, we're gonna have the bow aiming like this, and then pull it back.
And another thing you have to do before you do the trick shot, you have to name the shot.
Oh, that's
and you get 2 shots to make the trick shot.
Yep. Anyway, so let's get that mega bullet. You might want to pause it for a minute. And we're back. I got that mega bullet. It's sitting right back there. And this thing can hold 4 up here. And we got a little one sitting right there. That's where it's
Look at how cool this is.
Yes. And if you look through there, that's how you aim. That little section there. But yeah, that is the Mega Lightning Bow. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work, guys, but we'll find out. Maybe.
I'm just setting up the camera for the trick.
What? Alright, man, we're back. We had to adjust the camera a little bit. So now we're all set to do the trick shot. So this one is going to be a very classic one, I guess. The turn jump. I don't know what it's called, but that failed. I landed over there, you know, yeah, but, I don't know, do we get to shoot 5 times in this case?
Yeah.
Or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we get to shoot 5 times.
Okay, so, shot number 2, I'm just gonna call this a jump shot.
Pretty good. That was pretty good, Bruce. Nice. I want to do a trick shot now.
Oh, with my little blue pistol,
Here comes Mitchell Tuttle. Subscribe to him, people. He's actually a really good gamer at Fortnite, but
where'd it go?
I was actually good, people. Subscribe if you liked that one. Don't subscribe if you didn't.
That's kind of mean. That's kind of mean, but okay. All right, so let's do another shot, shall we? Shall we?
I'm
just gonna call this a crowd shot because, you know, I'm just going like this.
Pretty nice. Sorry that you guys can't see the bullets because I'm not zoomed in enough.
There it goes.
This is my...
Hold on, wait, we gotta unzoom.
This is gonna be a hard one. I'm gonna at least take 2 tries on this one. I'm gonna call it the handstand shot.
The handstand? How can you do a handstand without?
It's gonna be a little bit of a walk. I'm gonna try and walk to it, grab it, and shoot it. Sorry, it's in my bag right there. No. Aww. Right here, people.
And landed.
That barrel even went anywhere. Ah! He has a laser on.
Yeet.
is one of Bruce's bullets.
You keep the random gamer, bro. We don't know who Bruce is. Well, I say that because a lot of my subscribers already know who I am. So, but say the random gamer anyways. Alright, shoot. Alright guys, I'm back, and sadly we have to close up shop. We only got to do a few trick shots, but I would say that's a good amount, you know. But you know, why not? But we have to collect up Bad Cammy has to go inside, cause as you can tell, it is getting dark. Nice pink in the sky. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Maybe we might make a we might I'm not saying we will, but we might. And this probably warning this is, I'll just give the date just in case this doesn't come out until tomorrow. The date today is the March 31st. No, May 31st. May 31st. So yeah, but
and tomorrow we will probably be camping.
We might.
Yeah, we might be camping. We might do a video of manhunt. The person who's
no manhunt. No.
Oh.
No manhunt. I suck at manhunt. I suck at manhunt. Too bad, we're not doing manhunt. Sorry, Bad Cammy. So, anyways, but that's gonna close up. Shop. I gotta collect up my mega bullets and my bullets here. Oh, and by the way, this is the gun Mitchell was using. It's called the Fire Strike. It's a crappy gun. It's a crappy gun because it's pre-owned. Has a little laser dot. Oh God, never do that. But as you can tell, see. Little laser dot, you can see it. You can see the little dot, see it? I'm making it go in a circle. Whee! So, yeah, but anyways, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video of trick shots with the Lightning Bow Mega Nerf gun and the Fire Strike Nerf gun, make sure you subscribe to my channel, bang that bell button to destroy that notification button. Anyway, so meanwhile Mitchell is doing a countdown for some weird reason. I don't know why, and I hope it's not because he's planning to shoot at me, and he was trying to. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, so this is the ending. I'll do another Nerf War video. A Nerf video some point, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to Bad Cammy when he starts his, and also Mitchell Total. And remember, yeah, no, I'm the beast. Anyway, so always remember this: you don't stop playing because you grow old. You grow old because you stop playing. Be geek, be proud, palm in your face.